Hello friends! Today I'm going to show you how to crochet the arch stitch. It uses only double crochet stitches, chains and single crochet, so it's great for beginners. On my website you will find a written pattern for this stitch and a diagram. All the links are in the description box below. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click the bell button to never miss a video. For this tutorial I'm using 3.5mm crochet hook and woolen yarn. However, you can use any type of yarn and hook for this project. To start, make a slip knot and chain multiple of 5 plus 1. I decided to go for 21 chain stitches. Now add 3 more chains. This will be your turning chain. Find the 5th stitch counting from the hook. Yarn over and work 1 double crochet there. When you have 3 loops on your hook, pull the yarn through 2 and through another 2. Now make 2 chain stitches. Now we have to skip the next 2 stitches and make a double crochet in the 3rd chain. Alright, now let's make 2 more double crochets in the next 2 stitches. We need a set of 3 double crochets next to each other. This is your repeat for the first row. Chain 2, skip 2 stitches and work 3 double crochets. Repeat it until you reach the last 4 chain stitches. The set of 3 double crochets looks like a little block, right? That's what I'm going to call it further on, so keep it in mind. Now to finish off this row, we are creating the mirror image of the other edge. To do that, chain 2, skip 2 stitches and work 2 double crochets in the last 2 stitches. We started the row with 2 double crochets as well. One of them was a turning chain, so our swatch would be nice and symmetrical. Let's move to the next row. Chain 1 and turn the work over. Now find the first stitch and work a single crochet there. Insert your hook grab the yarn and pull the yarn through 2 loops on your hook. Great! Now we're going to work in the big chain space that we have here. We need 5 double crochets there, so yarn over and let's do it. Fantastic! As you can see, the double crochets start to create an arched shape already, and the chain space looks even bigger now. Our arch is attached with a single crochet on one side, so we should do it on the other side as well. Let's find the second stitch of our 3 double crochets. It's right in the middle of our block here. Insert the hook in this stitch and work a single crochet there. Now our arcade looks properly symmetrical. All we have to do next is to repeat this process. Yarn over and work 5 double crochets in each next chain space. In between the arches, work a single crochet in the second double crochet from the previous row, right in the center of the block. When you reach the end of the row, work 1 single crochet in the last stitch. It may be tricky because it's a turning chain. That's why we have to find the 3rd chain and place our last stitch there. It can be a real struggle even for experienced crocheters, but it makes the piece look much nicer. Great! Our second row is done. Let's move on to the 3rd one. To start, make 5 chain stitches and turn the work over. Remember to always turn it in the same direction to avoid twisting. Now let's look at our arch. We have to find 3 central double crochets, so number 2, 3 and 4 out of 5. This is where we're going to work a block of double crochets, so a set of 3. The sequence will be very similar as in row 1, but now we're working in the actual stitches, not in the chain. Once you establish where to make your first of 3 stitches, yarn over, insert the hook under both strands of yarn and proceed to work through 2 loops at a time. Then repeat it in the 2 next stitches. Our first block is ready. Let's make 2 chain stitches and hop right to the next arch. Again, let's find the second, third and fourth stitch out of 5 and make 3 double crochets there. This is our repeat for this row. 3 double crochets and 2 chain stitches. I will meet you at the end of the row. Alright, here I am finishing my last block of 3 double crochets. To finish up, make 2 chain stitches again and 1 double crochet in the last stitch. Nice! Our third row is finished. Make 3 chain stitches and turn the work over. We start this row with a half shell because we want the edges of our swatch to remain straight and even. Let's make 2 double crochets in the nearest chain space. Cool, we've got this. Now let's make 1 single crochet in the center stitch of the block, so the second double crochet of 3. The repeat for this row is the same as in row 2, so 5 double crochets into the chain space and then 1 single crochet in the second stitch of the block. However, we finish this row a little bit differently, so continue for now and I will meet you at the end of the row. Alright, you can see me now making the last single crochet of the row. When it's done, all that's left is making 3 double crochets in the last chain space. This is our half shell that closes the row. Now, row 5, which is the last row I'll show you in this tutorial, is exactly the same as row 1. However, we are now working it into stitches, not in the foundation chain. Let's start with 3 chain stitches and turn the work over. We need 2 double crochets to start. One is our turning chain, so we have to make the next one in the second stitch. Now let's make 2 chain stitches and look for 3 central stitches on the arch. Again, that's second, third and fourth double crochet out of 5. Make 1 double crochet in each of these stitches. Repeat 2 chain stitches, 3 double crochets in the 3 central stitches of the arch. I will meet you at the end of the row. My last block of double crochets is ready. Make 2 chain stitches, and now to make it symmetrical, work only 2 double crochets in the last 2 stitches. This way we create a straight edge. As you can see, the last stitch is worked in the top of the turning chain. And that's all. To continue, repeat rows 2, 3, 4 and 5 consecutively. If you want to end up with a scalloped edge, your last row should be row 2. However, row 4 will be the best choice if you plan to add a border. Use my written instructions and a diagram to practice and adapt the pattern to your needs. The links to my website are in the description box below. If you liked my video, please give me thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions or would like to see more, please leave suggestions and feedback down below. Thanks and have a creative day!